In this video, I'm going to show you how to name the compound FeNO3. The first thing we need to do is really understand what we have in this compound. So we have one iron, and then we have an NO3. If we look at our polyatomic ion sheet, well, first off, we know that NO3 is more than one atom, so it's not on the periodic table. It's a combination of elements from the periodic table. So in order to figure out what NO3 is and its charge, we need to look at our polyatomic ions list. So looking at NO3 on the list, we realize that it is nitrate. So this is nitrate. And it has a -1 charge. Okay. According to our chemical formula, we have one iron and one nitrate. So what we need to do is figure out how to name this. Now, iron is a transition element, which means that in its name, we're going to need to have the Roman numeral to indicate the charge of iron. Okay? So we know that nitrate has a -1 charge. We know that we have one nitrate. So our total negative charge is -1, which means our total positive charge has to be +1 because they need to be, our cation and anion must cancel out. It must equal 0 in order for an ionic compound to form. Therefore, what has to be iron's charge? The only thing that can be iron's charge is a +1, because the only way to get a total +1 is to have iron have a +1 charge. Therefore, we're going to call this compound iron, and remember it has a +1 charge, so we put that charge in parentheses, iron 1, and then we name our polyatomic ion, nitrate. We never, ever, ever change the name of the polyatomic ion when we name a compound.